Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2020 Nautique G25 Super Air. As you can see, this one has the gold package, which has gold on the exterior as well as the interior with all your extras. Obviously we have the NSS system, nice big swim platform, the new seats here in the back of the G series boats. Coming inside the boat, the nice wraparound seating. This bench here can lay down, so it'll wrap all the way around. Also have that seat in the middle with the seat deck on it that sits back a little bit so everybody can hang out and watch the show behind the boat. In the bow here, nice spacious bow. The middle seat can be flipped over so you can use it as a cushion. A nice touchscreen helm. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out, check this boat out. And as always, please hit the like and subscribe for more videos.